Good day, sir. I am Cadet Carl Matthew A. Villaver. This is my online presentation. 52605 Terrestrial and Coastal Navigation 2. A position line or line of position, LOP, is a line that is plotted on the chart on which the boat position lies. It might also be a circle, so it could then be called a position circle. It is used to confirm your position on the chart. You need 2 or 3 lines intersecting to get a confirmed fix. The position line is a line on the surface on the earth which you can use to determine the location of a vessel. On a position line in the ranges, bearings and distance can be found. Range is when two landmarks form a line, or example when a lighthouse is aligned with a mountain top or a hill. Like this picture is an example. Next is celestial fix. Methods of position fixes. Celestial fix by using sextant. A fix obtained by sighting 2 or more stars of known direction using a sextant or an astro compass, also called an astrofix. A visual fix. A fix established by visual observation of fixed objects. A radar fix. A fix obtained by means of the range, bearing, or range and bearing on a radar target or targets. A fix consisting of only radar information is called a radar fix, like this picture. GPS. Getting from one location to another. Tracking, monitoring object or personal movement. Mapping, creating maps of the world. Timing, bringing precise timing to the world. Echo sounder. Echo sounding or depth sounding is the use of sonar for ranging, normally to determine the depth of water. It involves transmitting acoustic waves into water and recording the time interval between emission and return of a pulse. The resulting time of flight, along with knowledge of the speed of sound in water, allows determining the distance between sonar and target. Like the picture on the right is an example of echo sounder. Next is parallel indexing. Parallel indexing is a technique used as a measure to monitor the progress of a vessel on the track and to minimize the across track distance and to keep vessel at a safe distance from the shoreline or rock. DR or dead reckoning. Determination without the aid of celestial navigation of the position of a ship or aircraft from the record of the courses sailed or flown. The distance made, which can be estimated from velocity, the known starting point on the known or estimated drift. Running fix. A running fix is a method of coastal navigation position fixing. It incorporates the use of an estimated position along with bearings of charted objects. Using bearings as well as an EP or estimated position makes this more accurate than an EP alone. Like the picture on the right is called running fix. Next is danger bearing. Danger bearing is a limiting bearing of any object passes of which bearing will cause a ship run into danger. EP or estimated position is the best guess that you can make for the boat's movement across the Earth's surface. To start with, the extra information that we need to allow for is the direction of the tide, or the set of the time of the tide, and the distance it has carried the boat, or the drift. It's a picture example of an estimated position. Next is tidal streams. A tidal stream is the periodic movement of water in horizontal direction that is due ultimately to the same astronomical causes as the tide, whereas the tide is a movement in the direction, vertical direction. Leeway. Leeway is the amount of drift motion to leeward of an object floating in the water caused by the component of the wind vector that is perpendicular to the object's forward motion. That is an example of a leeway. Thank you, and that's all.